Okay, so forgive the weird looking face right now. I'm at my house. I haven't done a video for you guys in a while because I've been to Norway and I've been working. But someone messaged me asking, is there any way to create creative imagery using just your phone? And I was like, of course there is, but I wanted to show you that there is, and I thought because I'm a little extra, I'd have a go. So everything about this video has been shot on my phone, edited within phone apps. I'll give a list of all the apps I use. Everything. There'll be no digital SLR used. I will not be going on my laptop. I will even create the thumbnail on this. So I've started doing the makeup. I'm not really sure where I'm going. So I've basically gone around seeing what I found, and I borrowed my friend's ring light. She is I guess you could say she's interested in becoming a beauty blogger. So she has a ring light, an informal, this big one. So I'm going to use that. I have one at the studio, but mine's a little bit more higher end, shall we say. So I'm trying to keep it as cheap as possible as well. Obviously, you don't need a ring light, but I was inspired by a certain image I saw on Instagram. I'll put the link in. I'll show you it. And so I started creating it. So I've gone for this sort of like weird... No, like I've not slept for 6 years, look. And I'm going to shoot everything on my phone. I'm going to shoot everything, edit it on my phone, and let's see how this goes. I am a little bit nervous because a lot of this involves me using the front camera to talk to you because I can't really focus using the back camera. I can, but I can't see it well, and I don't want to use a laptop to help me. I want to try and do as much on my phone without... Now, I could use a mirror, put it behind my camera so I can see, but... No, we're going to go this way. So the front camera is really low quality. I'm a bit worried about that. So yeah, let's get into this and let's not look like this. God, look at the state of my hair. I'm very pale and this makeup and setup isn't going so well. So I've got to add a little bit more to it. So I've kind of got it set up. I've got this ring light. That's just actually my curtains, my patio. So look, if I do this, the light keeps changing. I feel like potato because of my bad hair. So I'm going to try now. I don't know how it's going to work because I don't have the lights to fit in on the front. I'm hoping that the white wall that's behind this, so I should be looking there, the white wall that's behind the camera, or effectively the mobile phone, will bounce them back into me, but also I'm a bit worried. But anyway, let's go get dressed into something a little bit more fitting for this. Wish me luck. Okay, so full disclosure, I own all this. I'm a Venice dancer as well, so this is mine. I just sort of threw it on. I'm not so sure if the hair is going to look so great. Not so sure if the hair is going to look great. Oh, it's all tatty. So, yeah, let's try and do this. I'm not so sure. I think I need to move some stuff back and switch over to the camera, but we can try. So I have now just done the shoot. It didn't go as well as I thought, but I'm still going to post the image. I'm only going to edit one because they were pretty naff, and I realised that I possibly do need to use the rear camera. I knew I needed to use the camera. What am I about? I knew I needed to. So yeah, so I'll go through some of the edits, but to be honest, even the editing was shoddy because it was such low quality imagery, because I didn't use the rear camera because I'm a douchebag. So this is the image I've selected. You can see that there's an absolute colour bleed. So I'm obviously going to go in for cropping to crop out this little bit up in the corner there that you can just about see. I might go in for one, maybe, I don't know, you can hear my dog snoring, by the way. It clearly is just to crop that out, put me in the middle. I need to do a little bit of retouch here. I've got this quite large, look how terribly grainy it is. I've got quite a large scar from back in the day on me. Do you know what? I don't even care that that's not a great selection. I might go through some selective stuff. I'm going to go through some tweaking. I'm going to change the colour. As you can see, if you zoom right in, how grainy this is, but that's because it's done in low light. So I'm guessing I'm going to have to go through that. And I will show you the finished image in a little bit because I'm going to have to tinker and tweak. I mean, I have plenty of presets. Like, I mean, that's not going to happen, this one, at all. But, you know, I've got presets I can do. So, yeah, let's not do that. That's my own. So, okay, see you in a bit. This is the final image I've come up with. If I just go through and show you what I've done. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Click off auto. Right, so in the lighting, I've boosted the exposure, contrast, dropped the highlights down, shadow, some of the whites, tinkled with blacks. It's here where I did most of the colour. So I've made the image a touch cooler but boosted the pinks. Saturation I brought right down because I did like it up high, but you see that orange coming through from my hair? Yeah, let's not. And then in here, so the orange has been changed, reds have been dropped to a more pinky hue. We've done it with the orange. I always drop the orange normally. Where is it? Most here. So we've tinkered with the colours, the main feature colours. I've left pretty much orange alone in terms of the tone because it's mainly skin tone. If I just show you, if I boost it up, you see it in the hair, but also you see it in the skin. So let me just go back to what I've done.
Okay, and all of this is done. I've then exported it. Oh no, not that one. I'm terrible at this. Gone here, saved it to device, saved it in the highest possible quality. So once that's been exported, it takes forever. This is what I was saying to somebody the other day, that it takes forever for mine to export, but it might be because my phone is absolutely full of imagery. So anyway, we'll leave that while it does it, because I've already done it anyway. And I go into this software that I've only just come across. It's called Nebi, and I'm in here, and this is what I've done. So if I just, so as you might have heard, my dog is snoring like crazy beside me. Now, this is the end image using the Nebi software. Unfortunately, I can't seem to screen record within the software, but you can change things and alter it. So look, if I click add filter, it just shows me a blank screen to you guys. So unfortunately, I can't. So I'm now inside Oneshot, which is an app on my phone for video. So you can see I'll just scroll through. It can get a little bit getting used to. So here's it is. There's all the trimming. And then the final image is there. This is the final image. It's low quality. I've messed around with it quite a bit, but I like the lo-fi look on it. So yeah, good. Fun.
Okay. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell button, and I'll revisit this task. I will, because I know I can get this right. And I think mainly I have to get this right if I really think about how I'm setting it up, because this was just a last minute video because I haven't put it up for a while. I know, shameful. Hit that bell button, comment below if you want. Mwah.